What's up everybody and how's it going? So this is Rishabh, and in this video we are going to learn how to install data science packages like Pandas, specifically when we are using Jupyter Notebook. So a lot of people get confused. So installing Pandas may be very easy, but when we try to install it, let's say straight away from the Jupyter Notebook, it might be a cause of confusion for a lot of people. So that's why I thought of creating this video. The agenda of this video is very simple. It's going to be a short video where we are going to learn to install packages like Pandas, and we will try if we can actually add some more packages as well. So first of all, whenever you want to install any Python package on any environment, the very first thing which you need to check is whether you are able to execute the command called as pip. So let me go ahead and try it. So as you can see that I'm able to use pip on this kernel. In some scenarios, it may be the case that you won't be able to use it directly. In such scenarios, you may have to add something like an exclamation in front of this pip command. So let me show you that as well. So this is also working perfectly fine. Now, as you can see that we are able to see the usage of these commands, right? And now we have to use this pip to install our packages. So let's go ahead and get started. Pip install, let's say Pandas. Let me hit enter. So as you can see that in this specific scenario, because I already have Pandas installed on my machine, so it's showing me that it's already there in the version 1.5.3. Now let's say if I want to install some specific version, let's say Pandas equals to 0.1. Let's see what happens. Let me just go ahead and hit enter. So as you can see that it is now going to first uninstall the existing version of Pandas, and then it's going to install the one which I have requested. So in this way, you can actually install or uninstall any of the packages which are required straight away from your Jupyter Notebook only. Now, even though there is a small catch here, like whatever packages are being installed here, as you can see, that they are getting installed in a very, very global sense, because the Pandas version which I already had, that is 1.5.3, it was available on my global environment. Now let me actually see what happens if I actually add, let's say, an exclamation in front of my command. So pip install Pandas, let's say what happens. Now this is the interesting thing. So as we can see that in this case, it's installing all the collected packages and they are getting installed. What version is it? It's 2.0.3. So in this scenario, I think when we are using this exclamation, this is some new learning for me as well. I think it's getting installed only for this kernel. Whereas when we are installing here, it's getting installed for the global environment. We may really need to check it, and we may have to Google it a bit, because this happens to be a source of confusion for a lot of people. But yeah, one of these is definitely going to work for you. So if you are in a scenario where you have to install, let's say, Pandas on your machine, this is the way to go. Similarly, we can install some more packages like, let's say we can install NumPy. Simply hit enter. It says that the requirement is already satisfied, so we don't have to do anything. Similarly, there is another famous package which is called as matplotlib. So let me try that as well. So similarly, you can install matplotlib as well. Now, even though this will definitely help you to install all the data science packages which are there to be installed, but I really want to leave you with a small question. Would you be willing to research on what exactly is the difference between using this exclamation in front of this and without using this? As we already saw that in this scenario, it seems like we are installing it only for this kernel, whereas when we are not using it, then it is actually interacting with the global Python. But I haven't searched it on Google. I haven't done much research on this. So this video will help you to install Pandas or any other data science library. But if you really want to research the difference between these, then it would be great if you do that on your own, and feel free to comment what your findings are. So with this, that's it for the small video. We learned how to install Pandas and other data science packages in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, I request that you please like, share, and subscribe to the channel and share it with others also who you think can benefit from this kind of a video. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye-bye.